connecting the two sides of Victoria Harbor, a new milestone for the East Rail Line. So this new air rail line is from Admiralty to Shatin. So 2010. The East Rail Line Cross Harbor extension links up to the Northeast New Territories, Central Kowloon, and Hong Kong Island with 4 interchange stations connecting 5 railway lines with the new extension. The city's railway network is more comprehensive and provides another green commuting option to passengers. And then 2011. This is the making. Commencement of Admiralty Station expansion works under the South Island Line. 2012-2013. Authorization of railway scheme by the Executive Council and founding approval by the Legislative Council. By 2013, commencement of modification works of the Hung Ham Station. Sa Hung Ham na pala yan. 2014. This is the commencement advanced work of tunnel boring. Temporary occupation of tunnel approach rest garden as a construction site. 2015. Ito na yung nagawa. Commencement of construction works for exhibition center station. So that's this exhibition center where I am currently standing right now. And then next, 2015 also, commencement of construction works for the immersed tube segment casting yard in Shek. Oh, sa Sheko pala to. Arrival of the new train, first R train for the East Rail Line. So, yung bagong train. And then, completion of new Wan Chai swimming pool. I've been there once. 2016. Commencement of dredging works at Victoria Seabed. Also part of the 2016 is the tunnel boring works. And then this is the start of blasting works for Admiralty Station Overrun Tunnel. So this is how the tunnel, this is how they dig a tunnel. And then 2017, commencement of exhibition center station bulk excavation. Ayan na yung pag ano. And then here's another part. First immense tube unit towed and submerged of the seabed of the Victoria Harbor. And then another part is completion of construction of the new Harbor Road Sport Center. Completion of the tunnel boring works. And then 2018, the first and second wartime bombs were found at Exhibition Center Station work site. So later we will see a torpedo or a bomb that is currently displayed here in Exhibition Center. 2018, completion of reprovisioning works for Harcourt Garden in Admiralty Station. Also in 2018, completion of all immersed tube units installation. 2018, another bomb was found at Exhibition Center Station worksite. And this is the installation of the tunnel floodgates. 2019, this is commencement for track laying. So ito na yung ano, paglay ng daan ng train. And then installation of equipment along the track side. Ito yung mga civil engineer. They're taking a selfie to the first cross of the harbor tunnel. And this one, 2020, completion of track laying of East Rail Line Cross Harbor Extension. Ayun na yung dedication. And then 2020, ito na yun. Topping out of Exhibition Center Station. 2021, commencement of bifurcation works. Yung lining na ng kuryente. Parang may alam, no? And then, same as 2021, commencement of mixed fleet operation, new signaling system, and our train put into service. So, pinatakbo na yung train. Test, parang test drive. And in 2021 again, refurbishing of tunnel approach rest garden completed. So, nagkaroon na rin ng garden. Pasyalan. And then 2021 of March, overhead irrigation between Hongham and Admiralty. Commencement of the train dynamic testing. The dry run start around March, April. Completion of the new East Rail platform at Hongham Station. July of 2021, completion of the bifurcation work. So, electricity has been finished during this time. And also completion of the south ventilation building. And then 2022, ito na. Commencement 2022, completion of system and segregation test. Completion of all fire services installation. Inspections for new station and tunnels. And there they are. It is completed and was available to use last ano bang buwan ngayon? May. So, it is completed. And the tunnel boring machine excavated about 155,000 cubic meter, forging a rail tunnel connect. There you go. You can see the blue line. There you are. This is one of the bombs that they found during the excavation of building this site. This is just one of them. They found like 3 bombs. So these are the remains of the war. The time of yeah, there you are. And that's the other one. That's the other one. So here is the measurement of one of the tunnel boring machine, approximately 7.5 meters by 100 meters to 1,200 tons in weight. So it's 7.5 meter in diameter and 1,000 meter in length, 100 meters in length, and 1,200 tons in weight. Ang bigat. So this is the tunnel. The tunnel is 2,384.6 meter tunnel that was excavated. That was called the tunnel boring works. Okay, and the challenges with the team. Let's read the challenges that they face during this excavation. With tunnels traversing crowded business centers and accessing reclamation areas, there were unforeseen conditions and different geological profiles to consider. Before excavating the tunnels and constructing railway facilities, in addition, existing underground public utilities such as pipelines and utility cables had to be protected. In some cases, rerouting before the commencement of the construction work was required to maintain service for the community. This could only be achieved with strong team spirit, collaboration with utility owners, and persistence to overcome all challenges. Galing! The engineers were really great. Here they are. This is the train. This is the front load. So this is the Fort Cross Harbor Railway Tunnel. Each unit weighs 23,000 tons. Wow. So here, how was the immersed tube tunnel constructed? So first one, the free cast units were constructed at the casting yard in Shako. So here it is. And then the next one, the second one is a trench was dredged on the seabed of Victoria Harbor. A purpose-built grable spreader was used to precisely form a uniform bedding at the bottom of the excavated trench for installation of the IMTs. The next one, after the precast units were constructed, they were towed to the temporary mooring area in Chongquan-o for installation of survey towers and floating pontons. The next one, after fitting out, each IMT unit was towed to Victoria Harbor to be lowered into excavated trench and connected with other IMT units. And the last one, the seabed was backfilled to cover the tunnel for seabed reinstatement. So this is the towing distance. It's like 4.7 nautical miles. Oh, it's huge. Safety as the top priority. Floodgates deployment time 5 minutes. So just in case, eto yon, kapag bumaha or nag-leak yung tubig, mayroon silang floodgate. So the floodgate will come down in 5 minutes. So yung thickness ng gate panel niya is 800 meter. And the weight of each gate is 27.5 tons. So this is the defense against the water. And the unsung heroes protecting passengers. So here is the circle one. This is like the boring machine where you can see inside where the train is, and it was protected by this one. So we are safe when we travel. So in Hong Kong, huge network of railway tunnel ventilation shops supply fresh air to passengers underground and extract smoke in emergency situation. Tunnel ventilation fans make sure harmful gases are expelled, protecting the safety of passengers and staff. So yan yung ventilation. So here are some of the. This is one of the mega project here in Hong Kong, building this. So there you are. That's the history of the new MTR line. They built it from 2010 up to 2020. So it's like more than 10 years in the making. And this new MTR rail train, I only have to travel for less than 30 minutes for me to be able to go home. Before, I used to need to wait for like 45 minutes. Now it's more convenient and easy. So, tara na! Halika na dito sa Hong Kong.